Are you looking for effective ways to manage your money in 2025? Thanks to technology, taking control of your budget, investments, and savings has never been easier. In this video, I'll introduce you to the best apps that can help you manage your finances in a smart and efficient way. Let's start with Mint, one of the most popular apps for budgeting. Mint automatically syncs with your bank accounts and allows you to track your spending by categorizing it into areas like groceries, entertainment, and more. You can also set spending limits for different categories and receive reminders for upcoming bills. If you've ever wondered where your paycheck goes, Mint will give you a clear picture of that. If you're looking for a more in-depth financial planning tool, YNAB is the perfect choice. This app is based on a philosophy where every dollar you earn is assigned a specific purpose, whether that's saving for an emergency or covering monthly expenses. It helps you plan ahead for future expenses and encourages you to save smarter. Although it requires a subscription, many users find that the money they save by using it more than covers the cost of the app. For those who want to invest without worrying about complex strategy, Acorns is a great option. Acorns rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and automatically invests the spare change. This makes it perfect for beginners who may feel they don't have enough money to start investing. With Acorns, you can invest in diversified portfolios, and they even offer retirement accounts like IRAs, making it a simple and hands-off way to grow your wealth over time. If you're interested in tracking your wealth and planning for retirement, Personal Capital is an excellent tool. Unlike budgeting apps, Personal Capital provides a comprehensive view of your financial situation by tracking all your accounts, bank, savings, investments, and retirement. It helps you manage your portfolio and analyze fees to ensure you're not overpaying. Personal Capital also has robust retirement planning features, making it ideal for anyone looking to secure their financial future. For those who struggle with overspending, Pocket Guard is the app to try. It gives you a clear picture of how much money you have left to spend, after accounting for bills, goals, and essentials. Pocket Guard helps you avoid unnecessary spending by showing you how much safe-to-spend money you have. It even tracks subscriptions, alerting you to any recurring charges that you might have forgotten about. Couples who want to manage their finances together will find Honeydew to be a great choice. Honeydew allows you and your partner to sync your bank accounts, share bills, and keep track of shared expenses like rent, groceries, or utilities. The app provides transparency while maintaining privacy for individual accounts, which is perfect for couples looking to stay on top of their joint financial goals. For those who prefer a more hands-on visual approach to budgeting, Good Budget is a modern take on the classic envelope budgeting system. With Good Budget, you can allocate money to different envelopes for categories like groceries, entertainment, or savings. It's a great option for people who like to have more control over their spending and prefer manually tracking their finances rather than relying on automatic syncing. When choosing the right app for you, consider what your main financial goals are. If you're just starting with budgeting, Mint or Pocket Guard are easy and beginner-friendly options. For those focused on wealth building, Personal Capital and Acorns are excellent choices. Couples should definitely try Honeydew. And if you're serious about budgeting, YNAB is ideal. Each of these apps offers unique features that can help you get ahead in 2025 and beyond. Now it's your turn. Which app are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little financial organization in their life. See you in the next video.